Have you ever wanted to add a cool soundtrack to your best PUBG Mobile highlights? Today, I'll show you a super easy method using a free editing app to get the job done. First, you have to enable the highlight moments in your settings and save your highlights. Now for the trick, we'll use a free video editor. Apps like CapCut, InShot, or even your phone's built-in editor work great. Open your video editor app, tap New Project, and import the PUBG Mobile video you just saved. Look for the audio or music button and tap it. You can now add a music track. Choose the song from the app's library or import one from your phone's files. You can also edit the video, add text, or trim it from here. Once your video is edited and the music is added, you're ready to export. Just tap the export or save button, usually in the top right corner. Wait for the video to save to your gallery, and there you have it. That's the best way to add music to your highlights. While it's not an in-game trick, it is a simple and effective method that gives you full creative control.